before starting up with this chemical reaction, we should know about the reaction related to the heat changes. Okay, so I just told you about previously in the previous class about this exothermic and endothermic reaction. So what is exothermic reaction? In which the heat is produced or heat is released, that type of reaction is called as exothermic reaction. So the reaction in which the heat is released along with the formation of product is termed as exothermic reaction. So the example of burning of natural gas means methane. CH4 is methane. It's a natural gas. When it burns in the presence of oxygen, 2O2 gives CO2 and 2H2. This is an example of exothermic reaction. Here the heat is released. Next, burning of coal. It's coal. When it burns in presence of oxygen, it will release CO2. Next, respiration. Respiration also is also exothermic process. Often this question will come in exam. How the respiration is an exothermic process. So we all know we need energy to alive. For getting energy, we eat food. So food get digested in our body, and the complex food substances change it into the soluble form. So it changes into the glucose that will definitely provide us energy. So if we are eating the carbohydrate rich food like rice, like potato, it will get digested in our body, and it will break down, the carbohydrates will break down into glucose. Because we know the potato, the rice is carbohydrate rich food, it gets digested in our body in the form of glucose, which provides us energy. In this process, a small amount of heat is released in the body. So now we can say the respiration is an exothermic process. Okay. See, C6H12O6, it's glucose. In presence of oxygen, it will break down into CO2, water, and it will provide us energy. So, next example is decomposition of vegetable matter into compost. It's in during the decomposition of vegetable matter, small amount of heat is released. So, it's also an exothermic process. Next, endothermic reaction. The reaction in which the heat is absorbed, or absorption of heat occurs. So the examples of endothermic reactions are decomposition of calcium carbonate. I told you calcium carbonate is the calcium carbonate when decomposes into CaO, that is quicklime, and CO2. A heat is absorbed in this process. So this is the example of endothermic reaction. Next, the process of photosynthesis. 6CO2 and 6H2, plants prepare their own food with the help of the carbon dioxide, water, and in presence of sunlight. It will produce glucose and 6O2. Plants by the process of photosynthesis, plants also release O2. Plants gives us oxygen, and the 6CO2 and H2O will break down into glucose, C6H12O6. So this is the difference between the exothermic and endothermic reaction. So next topic, we will study about the types of reaction.